How to connect Ring Doorbell to your Alexa app or any device that is Alexa capable or that can catch the voice or work like Alexa. Now, the main thing you have to do is simply, I'm going to tell you all the steps regarding it, connecting Amazon Alexa enabled device with Ring devices that is a doorbell. You can connect your compatible Amazon Echo, Echo Show, Echo Spot, Echo Hub, or Fire TV tablet to your Ring device and use Alexa voice commands to do the following: answer your door and receive notifications on your Alexa enabled device, speak to your visitors, get a live view from the doorbell or camera feed, arm and disarm your ring modes. Now, exactly how you can do it, the first step will be on the application, so follow the app here. Now, add Ring as a skill in the Alexa application. In the Alexa app, tap on More, tap Skills and Games, then click on Search Alexa Skills bar type from the Ring, tap the Ring logo. Now, tap Enable to User. Tap Enable Skill and Link Account. Tap Authorize after logging into your Ring account on the Alexa application. Now, tap Close on the bottom of the page, then tap Discover Devices. Alexa will be enabled on all your Ring devices. To disable Alexa from a particular device, tap Forget next to the device name. This is how you can connect or disconnect your Ring device to Alexa. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching it.